Well, this is it, bright and early. Get the robot going, get Rosie all fired up, get her warmed up. Get it going. Hey, what's up, guys?
Good morning.
How we doing?
Good.
Everybody good?
Man of the hour, we're gonna get you all set in our robot.
So we call our robot Rosie because I grew up with the Jetsons. Rosie the robot can harvest somewhere around 1,000 to 1,300 grafts an hour.
Am I feeling any pain during all
You're
this?
feeling nothing.
Any discomfort?
The only discomfort is when we numb you up for 8 or 10 minutes at the beginning.
We're gonna do a little bit of numbing in here, put in some blocks, and then work it around.
All right.
Once that's all in, you're gonna feel nothing for the whole rest of the morning. Where's that hitting you on a scale of 1 to 10?
About a 3.
A 3. I like 3s.
Then you start relaxing and chilling out. A lot of people fall asleep in the robot.
That'll be
phase
me.
of Things, yeah. And,
All right.
you know, you may
Wake
be
me up when
snoring.
you're done.
Yeah, exactly.